I'm here in Wiltshire in southern UK to investigate Crockett Henge. Crockett Henge entered the national consciousness as early as 1685 when it was documented by the antiquarian John Aubrey. Since then it's gained international status, now being a site of major tourism, almost of pilgrimage if you will. Despite its international profile, Crockett Henge has always been something of an archaeological puzzle. That's why the local boys called me in, as an expert in megalithic structures, to take a closer look and see if I could unravel the mystery that is Crockett Henge. I recognised almost immediately the similarities between Crockett Henge and a similar monument I'd excavated in Ballintubber in County Mayo in 1967 when I was emerging as something of the enfant terrible of world archaeology. It was clear from that comparison that, like Ballintubber, Crockett Henge had cosmological significance to its builders. We were entering the realm of Archaeo Astronomy. Archaeo Astronomy, at once the most beguiling and the most credible of all of the sub-disciplines of archaeology. After many days of painstaking measurement, I was able to deduce a number of alignments for Crockett Henge, including those to the Sun, many to stars, and some to the Moon. There are definite solar alignments, as is very clear in this drone flyover of one of the massive structures, or trilithons as they're known. Note the clear solar alignment of this upright, which I've named simply the bâton de commandement. Call it a hunch if you will. I just knew there was something more. Using complex star charts, like this one, I was able to perform stellar and planetary regressions. I went back to the year 2427 BC to a Wednesday at about 2:30 AM, and I discovered it was the midwinter lunar rising. I looked for parallel planetary alignments, and there it was. So it was clear that there were solar orientations, it was clear that there were stellar orientations, it was clear that there was a midwinter and a midsummer moon orientation. What was key to this one, and what I was able to discover that made it so different, was a clear midwinter orientation to Uranus. The discipline of archaeoastronomy offers us many intriguing mysteries, none more so than this one. But I believe that my unique discovery of the orientation to Uranus is a seminal moment in the history of British archaeology. As to the mystery of Crockett Henge, cracked. Thanks very much for watching.